Madam Speaker, my vote could have gone to either Kong Toby Chanco, Kong Duke Frasco, or Kong Miao Kiko Barsaga. But since they are not on the list, because they're not, I think they're not ready to run yet, maybe at least not for now, I think the House needs a major institutional change, institutional reforms, not just cosmetic changes.
We are not honoring anyone
Point of
right
order,
now.
Madam
We
Speaker.
will proceed with the election.
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Secgen, please proceed.
Madam
Marcos